So we're in a little restaurant and
Having third dinner.
this is third dinner. To be fair, to be frank, and there are birds nesting just above the light shade, I think. It's funny, like if they were rats, like nesting above there, this would be a huge deal. But they're not.
They're just cute little birds.
Cute little birdies.
Cute little burbos.
Burbs.
Dad. It's the daddy.
And this is where we're gonna eat. And that's where we ate before. We ate over here before. I could zoom. Zoom is fucking funny. We sat, like, not that table, but, like, one over there.
Dude, I can't see the crosshair thing.
I know, but, like, I'm just... So, like, I'm at the middle of the video. Like, that's that table. And we were, like, over there. Like, just beyond that.
Yeah, that's a good illustration, actually. Thumbs up from Will.
Okay, it's back.